What's up, guys? Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. Wow, long time no see, right? So it's been, oh geez, almost 6 months, right? 5.5 months since I last posted a video. Hope you guys all been doing great in that time. So, yeah, we had a couple months of my work was just really nuts. Like, we just had a big migration project. I don't know what I'm allowed to say or not, so I'll just leave it at that. But it was a big project nonetheless. And, yeah, I've been getting back into music and stuff. I'll show you guys some stuff that I've been doing. And moved rooms too. Moved out of the old little office that I had into the big master bedroom here. That it was a Mrs. idea actually. She came up with it. She's like, "Man, you just have too much crap." And I'm like, "Yeah, you're right. You know what? We should do the move. Sounds good." So I moved into a new room, just getting settled in here, and I'm right in the middle of doing an edit, checking out some flight footage. So I just started really flying again the last couple days. Got in 1 pack today, 2 yesterday. And I know, just a pack, but that's because that's what I'm down to. I'll tell you in a minute. Man, today I was just feeling it. I really enjoyed it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm back at it. I'm back at it for sure. So I'm going to start posting like once a week. Just take YouTube a little less seriously, you know? Like I was so worried about finding a new spot all the time or having some new type of product to show or... Man, I'm done with that crap. I'm just going to post flights, have a good time, and hang out with my buddies here. That's what this platform's really for. So that's what I'm going to start using it for. The thumbnails are going to get less, you know, thummy, less clicky. There's going to be whatever, and I'm not really going to care about the music too much. I just might throw some of my own crap like I've been doing lately, or just grab a track offline that I don't really care about copyright strikes as long as it doesn't block the video. That's all I care about is whether or not the video will post or not, right? So copyright strikes mean nothing to me because I never wish to monetize on this platform. It's not what it's about. This is for fun. So let me show you guys around, and I hope you guys have been doing great. Let me switch the camera around. So this is my little FPV area in the room so far. I'm going to be putting a shelf up here, and I've got some little house repairs I'm doing because obviously since I'm just getting back into it, I haven't really needed much. So this crap's going to get done here this week, so I'll have this little area for FPV. And I got the little H3 sitting there. Flew it today. She flew great. And you'll notice this for the first time ever in my FPV career, bi-blade props. Never flown bi-blades before, and I got a 5-minute 20-second flight out of it and did pretty good. I didn't mind it at all. Kind of felt the same, really, not too big a difference. Over here I've got my radio set up, some props, a whole thing of props from Albert Kim. He gave me some motors and stuff too for helping out a few people on his channel or leaving comments or something like that. It was a long time ago, right when I was taking a break, but shot those motors off to Bama FPV. I think it was like the last thing I did in the hobby. And then, let's see, been getting into music, so started playing the electronic drums. The reason I have the mic over there is because I started taking lessons too, which I did guitar lessons for a little bit when I first started to play, but not really. So this is my first time, like, taking lessons instead of being self-taught. But so far, so good. It's been working out really well. There's my little kit. And my kids put some pictures on the front and stuff. Got the 3D printer set up in the corner. It's a good spot for it. And this is my work setup and some lights when I need them for these videos or any of that crap. Plus I'm like totally blind, so it's nice to have extra light in here. And then my editing workstation and a little guitar amp. Some studio monitors for when I'm doing my edits, not flight edits, for like music stuff. Gonna have to have those in that line of stuff. And then a couple of my guitars, and there's a few out in hard cases in the garage as well, since I've been playing forever, like 10 times as long as I've been in FPV, for like almost 30 years. So definitely a fun hobby of mine that I've been getting back into as well, because I had taken a break since I had my 2 boys here. But some other things on the horizon. You might see me guys like start posting a couple wing videos. So my boys are 4 and 5, and they're going to be 5 and 6 soon, and I really want to get them into flying. And I think getting a wing high up in the air and just soaring around, maybe putting an FPV camera on it, would be a great way to introduce them to flight. So might have some of that coming up. Otherwise, just going to be kind of taking it easy on here. Hope you guys are doing great. Now I'll start catching up on your videos. Here and there, I'm not going to be quite as active as I used to be because, you know, I just started to burn myself out, to be matter of fact about it. It really was. It just starting to lose my interest, and everything was just the same. You know, hopping on all the channels, it's a review of the same products, or, you know, just not much has changed. And even in my 6-month break, not too much has changed. I mean, we have Express LSRS, but I probably just said that wrong because I'm just relearning the stuff. But, you know, other than that, everything still kind of seems about the same. Anyways, hope you guys are doing great. I'm just going to try to like post once a week, and let's check out some flight footage.